Assalamu alaikum. So I have started a new channel named Haider Taleemwala, and this channel is all about education, and we will ensure to provide quality education online. And this channel will comprise of all sort of education to every person, whether he is a student and a teacher or any individual who want to grow his career. So what we offer in this channel, we offer easy to follow tutorials on various subjects, and secondly tips for effective learning and self-empowerment. On the third level, we will provide insights into fostering a love for books and education. And on the fourth level, and maybe final, but that will be tools to help students and teachers like succeed. So this channel will be very fruitful, and in days to come we will ensure a speedy transfer of knowledge towards desired candidates, and definitely this will be a great venture together. Thank you.